In this experiment, viewers witness an incredible phenomenon known as the balloon-powered tornado. With just a simple balloon, a funnel, and a bottle, a swirling vortex of air is created. The setup involves inflating the balloon and releasing the air through the funnel, which causes the air to spiral rapidly. As the air moves, it generates a mini tornado effect within the bottle. All the while, colorful confetti can be added to enhance the visual impact of the swirling air. This engaging demonstration not only entertains but also educates about air pressure and the basics of tornado formation.